y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing a new black owned lifestyle subscription box. It is called Femailer and it's from the creators of Impressions of Beauty. So here's my Femailer. It comes in this bag and I opened it already because that's my business. What I like about the Femailer is that it doesn't come in like those really thick subscription boxes that like a lot of other people like would create, and they're cute boxes but they don't necessarily do much. They kind of just are there and you don't really know what to do with them anymore, so they kind of just stack up in your closet. But with Femailer, all you have is this bag which you can easily recycle. And also inside is a greeting from the creator of Femailer. Her name is Ashley Gomez. She's also the creator of Impressions of Beauty, and it's just like a simple pamphlet that explains what's inside. I believe there's 10 different products in this one and they're all really cool, and so I'll review those with y'all today. And so the first product is the bag. A cool texture and you can use it for whatever you want, and it holds 9 other products, which I think is really cool. I'm going to go in order from the pamphlet. The second thing that's included is this really nice gold plated necklace, and it says blessed. And I really think this is great for people who like need some more accessories in their lives, who are more Christian focused, or just want to have like a nice saying on their body. And yeah, this is really cool. And so next there's the Cream of Nature Perfect Edges Extra Firm Hold, and this is supposed to make sure that your edges are cool, they look laid, they're slayed, everything that you need in order, you know, to make sure that your hairstyle is exactly how you want it to go. And next there's another Cream of Nature product. It's from the Pure Honey line, and it's Breakup Breakage Leave-In Conditioner, and it's for dry and damaged hair. I don't usually use leave-in conditioner. Don't ask why. I should, but sometimes I just really don't. Next is the Urban Skin RX Even Tone Cleansing Bar. It's a 3-in-1 treatment. And I already have a cleansing bar from Urban Skin RX. It's the combination skin one, and I love it. It smells really cool. It lathers, so it feels like you really are cleaning your skin, and your skin never feels like super stripped. And so I'm really excited to use this because I do have some uneven skin tone like around my mouth and under my eyes, and so I think that this one will work really well. I'm going to see, and it does come with a sponge, and it's this little like spongy thing. It gets it expands once you put it in water and you just lather it. You can reorder like the pads and stuff because I think sometimes they can kind of get like, you know, overused. And next is the Shadavi Hair Growth Vitamins, and I'm going to read directly from the Femailer pamphlet. This all-natural herbal vitamin is packed with nutrients necessary to promote hair growth and thickness from within. Botanicals from all around the world are collected in this vitamin, supporting longer, healthier, and fuller hair. And so you're supposed to take 1 capsule twice a day with water. And so with hair vitamins, they're interesting to me. I've never tried them before. I mean, I've taken multivitamins when I remember to, but to know that there's like a natural kind that can support your hair, your skin, and your nails, I think that's also interesting because it targets specific things inside your body. You should always read directions, consult with your doctor to make sure that different types of vitamins are the right kind for you. Ooh, this is cool. Wait. Okay, there it is. Next is the Black Radiance Eye Appeal Lid Glitz Color Spotlight. And this is a new product from Black Radiance. It's supposed to go in your eyes, of course, and it's supposed to like give you like a cool pop of color. And so you're supposed to use it by just applying the color and blending it in with an eyeshadow brush or with your fingers. And so I really like this color. I wish I knew like how to really put on eyeshadow, but I think that this is really, really cool. There's a bonus item inside the Femailer this time because it is the first Femailer and it's the summer Femailer, and I think that it's really an important message. And it's a laptop sticker that says Black Girls Matter. And you know, I really like that this was included inside the Femailer just as a subtle reminder that we do matter and especially with everything that's been happening now, I think that this is just like a really cool reminder that, you know, we're here, we're present, and we deserve some cool stuff like this too. So next we have from Kier Cosmetics is the Out of the Blue Light Up High Shine Lip Gloss. And so this is a lightweight lip gloss. It's in the color Goals, and this is what it looks like. The color is the color Goals, and it's like a really light brown shade, but since it's a lip gloss, it will blend well with other types of lipsticks that you have. And also it comes with this really nice mirror, so there's a button and it lights up, so you can easily see you applying all of your makeup on, and I think that that is amazing. And so I'm really excited to use this type of lip gloss. Lastly, because I was one of the first 300 people to sign up for the Femailer bag, I was able to get this wide satin lined headband from Adama. They have these really nicely styled headbands. They also have these satin lined bonnets that people can use, and I think that that's really great too. So that is it for this unboxing of the first ever Femailer subscription box. So just a reminder that this is a Black owned company and that you should support Black owned businesses. And so each of these subscription boxes come every 3 months, so with every season. So there's going to be a summer, fall, winter, and spring seasonal box, and they come with either between 5 to 10 different items every single time that you get it. And most of these products, the value of it is around $120, but you only get it for $30. And I'm going to put my referral code down at the bottom just so that you can get $5 off your first subscription and get some points. If you have any suggestions on what you think Femailer should include in new boxes, let me know down below, and see you guys next time. Bye. And like, look, everything fits in the bag. Just putting all 9 items inside the 10th item with ease. I feel like Mary Poppins. Oh, keep stuffing. Keep on stuffing. This one of the boxes. Put that inside there too. Oh, yep, it's working. Oh, wait a minute. Last one. All right, let's see if it zips up again. Period. Bye.